Good morning, this is Cara, and I have a brand new kit to share. I am so excited. I have a thing for gnomes. I love them, as do lots of people recently. They've kind of been a big hit. And I made a gnome Christmas kit. Yay! Very excited. It has a watercolor feel. It's Forest Gnomes at Christmas is the name of the kit. So let's take a look. There's 17 pages, 6 journal pages, and yeah, we'll kind of get into it as we go. So here are some of the characters, the gnomes. They're hanging out. It's beginning to snow. They're in their forest. I just love them. They're so cute. And then here we have a journal page that you can, do if you're doing December daily or documenting. You could put pockets here, super cute. And there they are hanging out with their little mushrooms. And there's some poinsettias and holly. And then we have them, they've decorated for Christmas. And there's a subtle sparkle from the glow of the trees. And their presents are all underneath the tree right there. And then here we have this one where they're hanging out with their presents. And they also like their candies and their cookies. And they're forest gnomes, so they're hanging out with the birds as well. And then we have this one, very festive. Perhaps you're documenting on a party you've had. Super cute. And then we have this one, which is a Gnome Background page. This can be for collage or tags or all sorts of fun things. Could be a journal page as well. And then we have this one, which is the same page, but I muted it, so maybe you didn't want it so in your face and bright if you were going to use it as a background page or a journal page. And then we have some candy canes, also a background page. And then we have a very, kind of subtle, plain, true background page. And then we have 6 really bright and colorful journal cards. I absolutely love how this one turned out. They're so cute. And then this one, we have large tags. I kind of changed the style of the tags that I usually do, the more traditional, because I thought it needed some more whimsy since they're pretty whimsical. And there they are all stacked up together, hanging out with their candy canes. And this one is a little more subtle as well. This one has the forest image, candy canes, and that cute little bird. And like I usually do, I have them in a smaller format. And then we have this page of fussy cuts. I think I counted 12 images that you can fussy cut. I do have the borders to kind of help out with that. And there they are. Super cute. And then we have some postcards. And then lastly, we have this large tag and then 2 pockets. So again, all together there are 17 pages in this kit. I am very excited. It's a bit different than some of the kits I've done, but I'm so excited. I think it suits everyone. It could be for a kiddo or, another gnome lover like myself. This is currently listed in my shop and it will be on sale, and let me know what you think. I'm excited to hear. All right. I also can't wait to make a journal with this. That is coming up. I'm so excited. All right. That's all for now. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.